My dear students, today we are going to learn Mathematics 1, chapter number 5, Probability. Now, the term probability means the possibilities, means it may be, it is impossible, or it can be 50-50. These are the words which we are used to express the possibility in our daily conversation. Now, let us look at this activity. Now, if a teacher tell a student to toss a coin, so what will be the possibilities? It can come head or else it can come tails. If I tell you all to throw a die, so what are the possibilities? It can come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So random experiment means the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there can be equal possibility for each result is known as random experiment. Now, outcome means the result of a random experiment is known as outcome. If I tell you all to toss a coin, what are the outcomes? It can be head or tail. Equally likely outcomes. If a die is thrown, any of the number can come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we can assume that the object used for random experiments are fair or unbiased. Now come to exercise number 5.1. You all can see first one. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Number 1. Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar, Sarovar, Tadoba, Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran. Now, how many places she is planning to visit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total number of places is 8. Total number of way any one place can be chosen is 8. Question number 2. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. We know in a week there are 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 7. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. We know that total number of cards is 52. So the total number of ways a card can be chosen, the 52 card randomly equals 52. Question number 4. One number from 10 to 20 is written in each card. Select one card randomly. So the cards on number on the cards are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are total number of card is 11. So total number of way a card can be chosen randomly is 11. Before I start with 5.2 practice set. Now what do you mean by sample space? The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space, and it is denoted by S or omega, a Greek letter. And the number of element in the set S is denoted by number of S, number of points. If number of S is finite, then the sample space is said to be finite sample space. You all can see in the textbook over here, some following examples are given. If one coin is tossed, what is the sample space? H, head or tail. So the number of sample points in S is 2. 1, 2. So 5.2 question number 1 says, for each of the following experiments write sample space S and number of sample points, that is number of S. So first one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So you all can see over here sample space head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6, or else you all can Write like this: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So the total number is what? 12. So number of S is equals 12. Second, two-digit number of form using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. So over here we don't have to repeat the digit again. So the number forms are 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5, 3. So the number of S sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 S equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of S equals 6. Third one, in the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date it is multiple of 5. You all can see 5 Tuesday, 10 Sunday, 15 Friday, Wednesday 20 and 25 it's Monday. So days I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of S equals 6. Sum number 4, from form a road safety committee of 2, from 2 boys B1 B2 and 2 girls G1 G2. So complete the activity. Committee of 2 boys B1 B2, 2 girls G1 G2. Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So B1 G1 they have given, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2. So sample space will be B1 B2, G1 G2, B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2. So with that 5.2 has been completed. Thank you.